My name is Jamie Robertson, United States Air Force from 2003 to 2009.
Come on, buddy.
I had a great time in the Air Force. I met some great people, traveled the world. I would have stayed in, but my wife talked me into getting out because I kept traveling and we were trying to start a family. So. The air conditioning unit was old and starting to go out on us. The heating unit was replaced 3 years ago, but the air conditioning unit was 15 or 16 years old, so it started to go out. We had 3 days of really hot heat with no air conditioning, so this is great to be able to turn the air back on.
In this case, the customer was having a system was starting to give them problems, and through this program they were able to provide them with the free air conditioning.
My wife is active duty, and she heard about it somehow, and so she called me and let me know about it.
I think it's an honor and a great privilege to have AJP here doing what they're doing for this family that's very much in need.
My name is Jim Henkel. I'm the general manager of AJP, and it really makes me proud to be able to give back to a deserving family in our community. It's not often you get to pay back people that did so much for this country. In this small part that we're doing here today, I feel extremely proud to be able to do this.
I'm looking forward to doing this, possibly helping out much more with AJP and more families that are in need of their services as well.
Thank you. What you're doing is great. We wouldn't have been able to afford it, so thank you for what you're doing.
It's not very often you get to give back to people that served your country. So I think it's important that we take care of the people that take care of us.